Morning, everybody. Calling from the beach. It's already 80 degrees and sunny and gonna be hot today. So, just want to give you this pre opening comment because, as I just mentioned last night, um, there were a lot of numbers this morning and there are still some to come. Okay, at 8:15, we got the ADP payrolls number. I kind of favor ADP, but only because they're actually processing payrolls. So I find them to be a little more accurate. Although today I kind of have to question that. They were expecting 220,000 new jobs. The number came in at 497,000. And wages were up 6.4%. That's versus an estimate of 6.6. So wages better, but jobs, I mean, that's a huge number to give you an idea of what was going on. Before the number came out, we were down about 160 in the Dow, 60 in the Nasdaq, and about 18 in the S&P. When the number came out, the Dow went to minus 270 and then came back in and hung around minus 235 for a while, currently down 265. Nasdaq went from that down about 60 to down 105, came back a little, but now is down 144. And the S&P, which was down 21, followed by down 28, is now down 34. So the market does not like these numbers. Then our claims numbers came out. Estimate was for 245. They came out pretty much in right near the number at 248. But last week's number was revised to 236. So we had more claims by 12,000. But continuing claims went the other way, 1,720,000 continuing claims, and that was down about 13. So, all in all, the numbers were big. Now, still to come, we had trade balance, which of course is a deficit, and it came in pretty much right on the number. Deficit of 59 billion versus a deficit of 68.9. So, one tick higher. But we also have IHS Market Services PMI at 9:45. At 10 o'clock, we have the ISM. We also have the JOLTS. JOLTS are job openings, so we'll have to see what that looks like. And at 10:30, we have nat gas inventory, and at 11, we have crude inventory. The only two of the mega cap stocks that are up this morning are Meta, who introduces Threads today, an offshoot of Instagram, and already has 10 million users, and Microsoft, which is up just a little. The important one, though, as far as I'm concerned, is the chart on the screen. Been warning about this. We have a position here in the TBT, which is down bonds, up interest rates. And as you can see, after yesterday's decline of well over a point and 3/8 actually, we were slightly higher overnight. But when those numbers came out, those ADP numbers and the claims numbers, we sank just a little bit further. Now, here's the we're in the TBTs at 62 cents. They closed at 72 cents. Their delta is about 60, which means that for every point that they go up in the TBT, we should get about 60% of that. So we're up about 50 cents there. So we should be getting between 25 and 30 cents up, which would give us pretty close to $1. I'm not sure that I want to sell it yet. The problem is we can easily go through another one of these cascading moves down. Let me show you on the weekly. Uh, the last time we came out of one of these bear flags, strikingly similar to this, um, we broke, we rallied up to the point of the break, and then we headed lower, substantially lower. Small rally, substantially lower. So these are this month's, which means they expire 2 weeks from Friday. The issue becomes, do we bounce off 124 or do we cascade? Honestly, folks, I have no clue. But we are profitable, and so I will be watching that carefully. As far as the rest of the futures, I think the grains were up a little. Grains are mixed to slightly lower. Corn up, soybeans, which have been on a tear, uh, down. Bean meal up, bean oil down, wheat down 10, oats up 20. It's an unusual one. Okay, oil down 38 cents. Heating oil, which was up 11 cents yesterday, down just under 3 cents, down about 2 cents in the gasoline futures, basically unchanged in nat gas. Gold down 15 on those higher interest rates, same with silver. Copper down 2.6. So economic issues there. The meats are not open yet. The softs, we have cotton, which was down $1 and change yesterday, down another 51 cents. Coffee down 280, which, I gave you a projection of about $1.50 when we were 210, now down to 156. The sugar, which we are long, but almost 2 months out, and it's down 26 cents. Cocoa slightly lower. The futures continuing to just hover in this area. The big loser yesterday was the Russell, and we're down $20 there again today. Dollar index is down a little, Bitcoin up a little, Ethereum down a little, and the bonds down at 124.08. That's down $1. That is also the new low of the day. Let's just go back to the daily chart, put it up so you can see what we really look like. This is an important area, folks, but we could easily get down another dollar, and we are in the money, or we're about 40 cents in the money right now on our strike at 30.50. So, I'm satisfied to sit and watch. Have a good one, folks. I will try and get back to you this afternoon with a closing comment. No daily notes. Enjoy.